The crowd in the Colosseum roars. The emperor raises his hand, and 10,000 Romans chant for blood, but high above the marble arena, a faint hum cuts through the air. A sound no one in 100 AD has ever heard. Within 7 seconds, the sky swarms with metallic shapes glinting in the sun, tiny machines that move like angry hornets. But let's change one thing. This isn't mythology. This is a U.S. military drone swarm dropped into the heart of ancient Rome. What happens when the most advanced autonomous weapons on Earth face the might of the ancient world? Each drone is a modern marvel: carbon fiber frame, AI targeting, thermal vision, carrying small explosive charges capable of shredding armor or stone. They fly in coordinated patterns, communicating faster than any Roman messenger could blink. Down below, legionaries in bronze and leather stare upward, shields raised, spears useless against machines they can't touch. The first wave dives. Explosions ripple across the forum. The marble statues of Jupiter and Mars crumble as micromunitions tear through them. Panic spreads faster than fire. The drones regroup in seconds, scanning for command centers, temples, anything that looks like leadership. They find the Praetorian Guard around the emperor's balcony. In perfect silence, 30 drones break formation, zip through pillars, and detonate simultaneously. The emperor's golden crown melts before he even understands what's happening. Rome's proud legions rally on the field outside the city. 50,000 soldiers in formation, shields locked, banners waving. It worked for centuries, but not today. The swarm climbs high, algorithms calculating patterns the Romans can't imagine, and then it rains death. Each miniature bomb finds gaps in the formation, tearing holes through ranks that once conquered the world. Horses rear, chariots flip, trumpets fall silent. The drones see through smoke, track movement, and strike again and again. Within minutes, discipline turns to chaos. Yet even technology has limits. The swarm's batteries drain, munitions run low. No satellite link, no GPS, no resupply. Ancient Rome can't refuel or repair them. The machines are gods for an hour and ghosts forever after. A few crash into temples, their circuits frying, their metal shells later worshipped as gifts from the heavens. Rome falls to confusion, not conquest, and stories spread of fiery angels that punished arrogance. The empire will recover, but its faith and politics are shaken. A single swarm changes history, proof that even unbeatable power fades without logistics or context. So, what do you think? Could a swarm of machines rewrite the fate of civilization? Or would Rome's sheer numbers and ingenuity eventually prevail? And if one modern weapon could spark a new mythology, what happens when a stealth bomber faces the Mongol horde?